Coronavirus was first discovered in 1937 in birds, which causes them bronchitis. Later in 1965, scientists found coronavirus also infects to humans. They found coronavirus in the respiratory tract of a person with common cold. Generally, these coronavirus infections are most common during winter season and early spring. Coronavirus typically affects the respiratory tract of animals and humans. In 2019, Centers for Disease Control and Prevention started monitoring the outbreak of new coronavirus, that is SARS-CoV-2, which causes COVID-19. Thus, first identified the coronavirus in Wuhan, China, that is in the seafood market of Wuhan market. This suggests that animals initially transmitted the virus to humans. Then people with no connections to the market also developed the disease, confirming that humans can spread the virus to each other. Coming to the symptoms of COVID-19. According to CDC, people may start to experience symptoms from 2 to 14 days after the exposure to the virus. On second day, the first symptoms are similar to common cold with mild sore throat. On day 3, patient's throat start to feel pain. There will be slight increase in body temperature. However, in some patients, other symptoms like nausea, vomishes, mild diarrhea are observed. On day 4, throat pain becomes more serious. Other symptoms include feeling weak, joint pains, muscle pains, loss of taste and smell, somewhat increase in the body temperature. On day 5 to 6, fever starts to increase. Temperature reach up to 100 degree Fahrenheit. The second most common symptom at this stage is dry cough. Most people in this stage feel very tired. Breathing difficulty occurs occasionally. These symptoms are the top indications of COVID-19. On day 7, the patients that haven't started recovering by day 7 get more serious cough and breathing difficulties. Fever can get higher up to 101 degree Fahrenheit. Some also develop headache and body pains and severe diarrhea. On day 8 and 9, in this stage, people with other medical complications worsen the situation. Severe shortness of breath become more frequent. Temperature go above 101 degrees Fahrenheit. Day 10 to 11, patient develop loss of appetite, may be facing abdominal pain. Some need immediate treatment in ICU. On day 12 to 14, for the survivors, symptoms can be well managed and fever tends to decrease and breathing difficulty also tend to cease. But some patients may still be affected with mild cough even after the discharge from hospital. Day 15 to 16, sensitive group must prepare for possibility of acute cardiac injury or kidney failure. On day 17 to 19, fatal disease happen around day 18. So this is the very careful days. Before that, some patient may develop secondary infections caused by new pathogens like bacterial infections in the lower respiratory tract. These severe conditions may lead to blood coagulation and ischemia. Day 20 to 22. The surviving patients are recovered completely from disease and discharged from the hospital. According to WHO, 80% of people who get COVID-19 will recover without needing hospitalization. The remaining 20% become seriously ill and develop difficulty in breathing. Some group of people are at high risk, who include older age, having higher BP, or heart and lung problems, diabetes, and cancer. Mortality rate in major countries lies around 6% only. So please note that this is in general overview and is compiled for self-assessment only and may vary for each individual. If you are not feeling well, you should immediately consult a medical practitioner to have accurate diagnosis and proper treatment of COVID 19. For more details, I given links in the description below. You can check it out about the complete details of COVID 19. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to latest facts.